Welcome back again to my channel. If today is the first time you are seeing my beautiful face, welcome to NK Sunshine TV. Do not forget to give my video a thumbs up, guys, like and comment. So guys, I'm so happy today. You know why? It's holiday and it's Christmas holiday. So guys, I went to the market and I got a quality Toshiba aluminium cookwares. So guys, this is the pot. It's a pot, guys. Yes. Heavy aluminium body. Heat resistant steel handle. So this Toshiba aluminium cookwares, there are some information here that I need to share with you guys. The quality of this pot, guys. I want to share with you the quality of this Toshiba aluminium cookwares. Heavy aluminium body, heat resistance, steel handle, easy for storage as pots fit in each other. Easy for storage, guys. So when you want to store something inside the pot, like after cooking and your food is inside the pot, you can be able to cover the pot very well. It fits each other. The cover and the pot fit each other. Suitable for all household stove. You can use it for any stove of your choice. Easy to clean. So this is the smallest one. Yes. As you can see. Don't know if you are seeing it very well. The product is Toshiba. So this one is for stew or for soup. Yes. Yeah. Wow. Woo. The smallest one. Yes, I'm flipping the pot. Look at it. Yeah. And the cover remains. I flip the pot and the cover remains. So this is the second one. This is for jollof rice. Yeah. And this is the biggest one. Yeah, this Christmas is going to be sweet, guys. New pot, new cooking vlog. That is it. So this particular one, I will be using this one to cook my chicken. And I can see it to make enough food. Yeah, this one is 30 cm. Yeah. This one is 28 cm, guys. This one is 28 cm. Yes, 28 cm. And the last one is 26 cm, guys. For soup, stew, and blah blah blah. So guys, as you can see, I'm heavily preparing for Christmas. I'm preparing for this Christmas, guys. Everything will be yummy, yummy, yummy. Guys, you better locate my house, because everything will be yummy, yummy, yummy. So guys, thank you for watching. Do not forget to click on the red subscription button. Like and comment, guys. Bye.